What's going on, guys? Treasure up here in the garage with update number 5, I think. Number 5, I think this is 4, I think this is 5. Garage update number 5, guys. As you can see, it's becoming very bare and minimal at this point, so everything's gone from there. We got a bunch of things on the floor because I am currently removing things off this slat wall, so I can start removing the slat wall today and yeah, getting things out of here because construction is happening soon. Cabinets are all gone. The big cabinets are gone. The bike lift is on. The R6 is still here because I'm still riding almost every day. The days that I get to when it's not raining. It unfortunately is raining again today, however. But yeah, so the motorcycle's there. Gonna stay here till we actually make the move. Probably the last day. I'll probably ride to the new place anyway. Yeah, I got a bunch of stuff to put out, put away. Got things to, I don't know, find space for. But the main thing I want to do today here in the garage is removing the slat wall. Now, depending on how long that takes, I may actually go ahead and then get to the lights. I don't have the garage lights on right now, but I think I might get to those as well today. I guess we'll see, maybe tomorrow. Yeah, for today, let's go ahead and remove the slat wall on the left side. Let's go.
A few moments later.
All right. Side slat wall on the right side wall or left side wall, depending on which way you're looking at it. The east side wall of the garage is gone. So slat wall is gone. It's currently on the floor. So I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do with these, plus with those, because those are the slat wall pieces from this wall. And then yeah, I gotta clean up. I think I have enough time to clean some stuff up, pack the car up once today, and then go out and drop off some things at the new place for the meantime. So I think that's what I'll be able to get done today. Actually, you know what? Maybe I'll even wrap these up a certain way and then take them downstairs because they're gonna be here. I'm gonna leave them here. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap these up. I think I'm gonna do them in 5s because it's gonna be easier to carry down. Plus I got a bunch over there as well. Take those down and I'll be one less thing in the garage that I gotta take care of, along with all the loose stuff. God, I hate having loose things everywhere, which is why I like having the slat walls. But yeah, so that's good. Oh yeah, I still gotta take those guys off too. The little screw and nut and bolt, like, you know, loose hardware stuff. I gotta take that stuff off as well. My battery charge is still there. But all that stuff can be done on the last day when we're actually freaking like just, you know, cleaning up and taking things out of here. So super happy I got that done. And looks like the weather has also stopped. Well, that is a stop. It stopped raining. Weather, I don't think stops ever, but yeah, stopped raining. You know what? Maybe I'll get a ride in today. Let's see how far I get today. But yeah, maybe I'll get a ride in today. I still got the lights to do, and I think that'll be the next update that I do for you guys. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Into the next one.